This mouth melting laddu, if you eat, you will make this again and again. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will prepare Besan Rava laddu. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. Let's see the ingredients to make this recipe. 1 cup of besan, 1 cup of chiroti rava, some dry fruits, 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of crushed cardamom, half cup of ghee. Now let me put ghee in the kadai. I am not going to add all the ghee. Approximate 1 tablespoon of ghee is left and we will keep it aside. If it is needed only, we will add it later. Now we need to add besan and the besan should be fried well in ghee. The flame should be on medium. Here you can see the ghee is starting to release. Roast it continuously. To roast this besan, it will take 15 minutes. Now you can see liquidy, silky, smooth texture of this mixture. That means the ghee has released a lot and it is fried well. In this time we need to add chiroti rava. If you don't have chiroti rava, then you can use regular upma rava, but you need to grind it in a mixture and then you have to use it. Rava will fry very soon because besan is already hot. It will not take more time to fry. And also it will mix both uniformly. Rava will absorb ghee and it will look dry. When rava leaves a good aroma, that means rava fried well. For this, it will take 5 minutes. Now in this time, we need to add some dry fruits if you wish and crushed cardamom, 1 teaspoon of. Mix well. Let them roast for some time. The mixture is ready now. Turn off the gas flame and remove kadai from the gas. And we need to continuously saute it because it is already hot. It should not burn. Leave for 5 minutes to cool down, only for 5 minutes. Then we need to add powdered sugar. Mix well. This powdered sugar will release little water since the mixture is hot. After mixing the sugar well, start making laddus. If you feel this mixture is dry or if you are not able to make laddus, then heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and add to it and then make laddus. And the super tasty, delicious, mouth-melting Besan Rava is ready to be served. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family, and don't forget me, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and also try this recipe and do let me know how it was in my comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video.